Hi, welcome to On a Bear's Dime, where we like to share some ideas on how to save time and money to reach your goals and live a better life. Today we're going to do part 3 of our simple side dishes, and I am going to show you how to make cauliflower rice and how I use it 2 different ways. So here's our head of cauliflower. Make sure you clean it up pretty good, cut off any brown spots that you might find. And what we're going to need to do for this is to cut out the core and cut it into smaller pieces. For the core, you could save it and use it in bone broth just to put a few more nutrients in it, or I'm just going to throw it out onto my compost pile, but you could use it in a soup also. What we're doing is cutting out the core and just chopping them up in smaller florets. I'm going to use the food processor to process my cauliflower. You could also use the smaller chopper that I have used on other videos, or you could use the large side of a grater and grate the cauliflower into rice. Any method gets a pretty good consistent small rice texture. You can also buy frozen rice to use in recipes, or they also have some larger pieced rice or cauliflower that you can buy in the produce section. And I'm going to process this in two separate batches in my food processor. I'm going to put a couple handfuls in the first time. And what you're just going to do is pulse like 3 or 4 times just to make it a nice, small, consistent, fine rice-like texture. And I'm going to use this 2 different ways. I like to buy the Knorr side dish rices and make a packet of those and add like a cup and a half of this cauliflower rice. It brings your calorie count down a little bit, adds up a little bit of nutrition, and stretches out the rice a little bit. So here's my second batch of cauliflower. And here you can see it's nice and rice textured. This is about how much I got out of that cauliflower head. And I'm going to make the Mexican rice today and follow the package on the back. I don't typically put in the oil just to save some calories, but I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes. It says 7 to 10 minutes on the bag, but I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes and then add my cauliflower. So here I have it in the pan, bring it up to a boil. And you can also use this in stir fries or as a base for anything that you would put over rice. And I'm going to put about a little bit over a cup and a half of the cauliflower rice into my Knorr side dish and stir it up and cook it for additional 3 or 4 minutes until you don't want to cook it too long because you don't want it to get mushy, but you want it to at least have the texture of rice. You can also freeze this in packets to use later. Like I froze 2 separate boxes of this to use it later. And here's my side dish along with a pork cutlet that I made. Another thing I like to do with the riced cauliflower is to stretch out macaroni salad that you buy in the deli. I always find that the macaroni salad that you buy has way too much dressing. So I take my whole pack of macaroni salad, put it in my bowl, and you can put up to 2 cups of your riced cauliflower in this, and it gives it a great texture and a little bit of crunch. And again, you're using up some of that dressing that is plentiful in the macaroni salad that you buy. And here's the package of it. So I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Make sure you're hitting the bell icon so you can be informed when we upload videos, and comment on what you might like to see next from us. We upload a video every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks, bye.